am the people, the mob, the crowd, the mess. Do you know that all the great work of the world is done through me? I'm the working man, the inventor, the maker of the world's food and its clothes. I'm the audience that witnesses history. The Napoleons come from me, and the Lincolns, they die. And then I send forth more Napoleons and Lincolns. I am the seed ground. I am a prayer that will stand for much blowing. Terrible storms pass over me. I forget. The best of me is sucked out and wasted. I forget everything but death comes to me and makes me work and give up what I have. And I forget. Sometimes I growl, shake myself, and spatter a few red drops for history to remember. Then I forget. When the people, learn to remember. When the people, use the lessons of yesterday and no longer forget who ripped me last year, who played me for a fall, then there will be no speaker in all the world say the name, the people, with any flake of a sneer in his voice or any far-off smile of derision. The mob, the crowd, the mess will arrive then. Freedom of the Moon by Rupert Frost. I've tried the new moon, tilted in the air, above a hazy tree and farmhouse cluster, as you may to try a jewel in your hair. I've tried it fine with little breath of luster, alone, or in one ornament, accompanying with one first water start almost shining. I put it shining anywhere I please, by walking slowly in some evening later. I've peeled it from a crate of crocked trees and brought it over glossy water grate and dropped it in, unseen. The image follow, the color run, all sorts of wonder follow.